Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to create DXF file in SolidWorks. I have a plate 8 mm thickness, 120 mm width, and 180 mm length, having 9 counter 4 M5 head bolt hole. For creating DXF file, first of all, select this face, select normal, press Ctrl+8. If you are creating DXF file for sheet metal, then select sheet metal and select here flatten for flat pattern. Then select save as type. Here select DXF, select save. Then here select export auto. Nothing should be changed here. Select OK. Now here delete these holes, outer side holes. Otherwise laser machine will cut these holes. These both holes inside or outside. So I delete outside hole. Select save. You can edit the DXF file in Draftsight or in AUTOCAD and in other 2D CAD softwares like AutoCAD, LibreCAD, NANOCAD, QCAD, Draftsight, Drafted, AutoCAD, 2019 Professional, BriskCAD. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.